The Pattern of Nature, Evolution, presented by David R. Wood. The Pattern of Nature, Evolution. Quote, "Let me lay my cards on the table. If I were to give an award for the single best idea anyone has ever had, I'd give it to Darwin, ahead of Newton and Einstein and everyone else." End quote. Daniel Dennett, Darwin's Dangerous Idea. In 1859, Charles Darwin published his book On the Origin of Species. This book contained for the first time the conceptual pattern that both produced and caused the extinction of all natural species on Earth. Darwin described this natural pattern as the process of natural evolution by means of natural selection. Darwin's theory was a monumental breakthrough in natural evolutionary science. His work was a culmination of all the research that naturalists, both past and present, had produced. For they had all been searching for this one simple, elegant pattern that explained how and why natural species were produced, evolved, and made extinct. It is probably the single most important scientific achievement in history, rivaled only by the splitting of the atom. Naturalists dating back to Aristotle had been searching for the pattern Darwin had discovered. This included Charles's grandfather, Erasmus Darwin. Why did it take so long to discover? The answer is that the pattern was invisible to the human eye. As Plato explained in his many writings, patterns such as the process of natural evolution could only be seen in your mind's eye. And this required the use of your natural adaptation of imagination. It was Darwin's scientific research combined with his imagination that was able to perceive this invisible pattern. The process of evolution by means of natural selection, which has produced all the visible forms of life throughout Earth's geological history.